Okay, electrical symbols, again, quite straightforward, tends to be a foundation question. You may get caught out with some of the more complex symbols elsewhere. Start at the top. These are the symbols for switch, open switch, close switch. Right, this is important to note. That top one there by itself, which you would call a battery in a shop or at home, we should really call it cell, as in Duracell, C-E-L-L. The one underneath is actually showing a battery. When you connect two or more cells together, that is known as a battery. So be careful of that. If someone's being really pickety, they will expect to know the difference between a cell, which is one by itself, and a battery, which is loads of them together. These devices there, these are known as diodes. Okay, if you notice, there's almost, it shows like an arrow, then a stop to it, and it's showing us that the electricity can go in one direction. The top one's just an ordinary diode. The one underneath is known as a light emitting diode, and these are the little red lights that glow at night and stuff like this. They're sort of they're very, very energy efficient, and they're going to become more and more popular because they can be used as an effective way of lighting things up. But that is the symbol for LED, light emitting diode, and if you see the arrows coming off it, it's showing it's giving off something. Then we've got a lamp, a voltmeter, an ammeter, and these ones here are all types of resistor. At the top there's a bog standard resistor that could represent a television, a computer, or whatever. The one underneath that, variable resistor, if you notice, it's got an arrow on it which shows you can dial on the strength of the resistance. That's what it means. The thermistor's got that strange shape across it. I don't know why. If someone can tell me as to why it's shaped like that, I'd like to know. Almost like a, I don't know, like a J or an L across it. That is a thermistor. And the one underneath it is an LDR, light dependent resistor. And if you notice, the arrows are shining on it. And basically, that's a resistor whose resistance changes depending on the amount of light. The thermistor, for example, its resistance changes depending on the amount of temperature, and it's used for things like ovens, whereas the LDR is used on lights, for example, that come on automatically at night. And that is it.